The benefits of internet marketing for stay-at-home moms. There are many benefits for a stay-at-home mom to start internet marketing. We will look at the major benefits in this video. You can join the tens of thousands of moms all around the world who make regular income online with this rewarding and satisfying activity. Additional income. Could you use some extra money every month to pay the bills or to buy the things that you and your family want? Sure you could. The income potential with internet marketing is literally limitless. You can start off by making a few extra dollars a month and develop this into a significant income. Some internet marketing moms have created websites that are now worth millions. They started with next to nothing and now have an online empire. There is no reason why you cannot do the same. You are only limited by your own mind. It is hard to describe the thrill of making your first dollar online. You created something from scratch that others like, and it starts to make money for you. This will drive you to make it bigger and better so that you can make more money. Working at home means you can bond with your family. Not having to commute to a place of work 5 days a week is great. You don't have to spend money on gas or public transport, and there are no traffic jams or crowded trains or buses to contend with. Best of all, you can be there for your family. If you choose to work a 9-to-5 job and have to leave your home, then you will have to arrange daycare if you have young children. This is not necessary when you work at home. You will become good at multitasking where you can take care of your kids and your online business too. With internet marketing, you set your own schedule. If you want to spend the afternoon at the beach with your kids, then there are no bosses to prevent you from doing this. It is also a lot less stressful than having to commute and be at the beck and call of a boss. It is incredibly rewarding. It doesn't matter how much you make with internet marketing. It is an amazingly rewarding feeling to make this money through your own ingenuity and effort. At the start, you will have a lot to learn, and this training will help you in that respect. But once you start implementing the stuff you have learned and start to make money, you will feel great. You will have the satisfaction of knowing that your drive and determination saw you through. How many other stay-at-home moms can say this? To those people that told you that you were crazy for getting involved in this internet marketing thing, you can quietly, or loudly, bask in the glory of proving them wrong. It was all your own work, and nobody can take that away from you. Succeeding with internet marketing requires drive and determination and overcoming different challenges. You did all of that and more, so be very proud of yourself and take a bow. Low startup costs. You can literally start an online business for nothing. There are free ways, such as using social media, where you can promote other people's products and services, affiliate marketing, and make money online. We always recommend that you create your own website, and to do this you will need a domain name and web hosting. The name will cost around $10 a year and the hosting less than $10 a month. You can create your own products and sell them online. If you have specific skills, then you can turn these into a training course and promote this via your website and social media. All you need to do this is a word processor and some time. Imagine the cost of opening a local store. You need to pay rent, stock the store with the items you want to sell, pay for marketing your store locally, employ staff, pay for electricity and telephones, and you will want a website to advertise your store. This can cost you thousands in your first year. Well, if you create your own digital products and sell them, then your costs are very low. A word of warning here, though. Because the startup costs for an online business are so low, a lot of people do not take their business seriously. They think that if it fails, they will not have lost much. You need to take your internet marketing business seriously. Anyone can do it. You don't need any educational qualifications or business experience to start an online business from home. It is important that you are willing to learn about the different business models and how they work, and you are willing to gain an internet marketing education. You have taken the first step towards this by taking this training. One of the biggest myths about internet marketing is that you need to be a technical expert to succeed. This is definitely not true. 20 years ago, you had to learn HTML coding if you wanted your own website. Those days have well and truly gone. You can create your own website without any technical knowledge. It doesn't matter where you are from, you can succeed with internet marketing. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the desire to succeed. Never think that you are not good enough to make it an online business. You are. And you have the same opportunity to be successful as anyone else. Help is at hand. You need to make a good impression to succeed with internet marketing. Your website needs to look professional and appealing. If you are selling digital products such as how-to guides and training courses, then you will need some good graphics to promote this properly. If you are not a graphic designer, then there's no need to worry. There are great outsourcing websites such as Fiverr.com where you can find expert designers who will create stunning graphics for you for a few dollars. In fact, you can find people to outsource many internet marketing tasks too. If writing is not your thing, then there are some good writers around to help you. If you need a good video created, then you can outsource this too. Yes, it will cost some money, but it will save you a lot of time and stress. There is no reason for you to feel isolated when you start internet marketing. You can join different communities that will provide you with the help and support that you need. A good example of this is the WHAM Work at Home Mom Forum, which you can find here. This is an active forum where work-at-home moms get together to discuss different ideas, help each other with internet marketing tasks, and so much more. Another great community is the Warrior Forum. This is not just for stay-at-home moms, but it is the largest internet marketing forum out there where you can find answers to every question. There are also dedicated groups on Facebook and LinkedIn for stay-at-home moms who want to make it online. All of these forums and groups are free to join, and you can pick up valuable tips from others that have overcome all the different challenges of owning an online business. Automation. Does the idea of making sales or commissions while you are taking care of your children, on a day out with your family, or even sleeping appeal to you? One of the great things about internet marketing is the level of automation that you can create. Making money 24/7 while you do whatever you want is certainly a reality. The internet is truly global. Your nighttime is someone else's daytime. When you are sleeping, they are awake browsing the internet. If they are interested in what you are offering, then you don't have to be there for a sale to happen. You just wake up in the morning to see sales notifications in your inbox. How good is that?